Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to use rank function in Microsoft Excel. So, rank's function is what its names imply. That is to rank set of values, ranking them either from least to greatest or greatest to least. Now let's start. As we see in here, we already have values for the average grade for each student. We can use the student's average to know the ranking of each student. To do so, we need to use the rank function. First, we type equals rank, and then open parenthesis. And then we choose the cell that we want to know the rank of. That is Juan. So we click his average or I2. Then we put semicolon for separation. And then we choose the range of values that we can use as a reference. So we want to know Juan's ranking among the class. And then we click Juan's average grade from I2 up until to Luisa Torres' average grade up until I11. So, as we can see here, so after specifying the range of values, we need to add $sign so that we can maintain this reference value for the rest of the data. So we add a $sign before I, before 2, again before I, and then before 11. After doing so, we put semicolon for separation. After that, we put open parenthesis and then 0 and then close parenthesis. The 0 here pertains to the fact that we want the ranking to be from greatest to least. So what it means is that the student with the highest grade will have a rank number 1, while the student with the lowest grade will get the rank number 10. And then finally, we put a closing parenthesis to officially finish writing the formula. Then, after that, we hit enter. As a note, in Microsoft 365, we use comma instead of semicolon. And then there is no parenthesis around 0. So if you want for your ranking to be from least to greatest, and then you should just change 0 to 1. Okay, let's proceed. After we click enter, we see that Juan got the number 5 rank. So out of students, Juan is in the 5th ranking based on his average grade. But we also want to know the ranking of the other students in the class. So we just drag the plus sign button to the rest of the data up until to Luisa Torres' grade or up until J11. After dragging, we now have the class standing of each student. We see that Roque Harleen got the highest grade, so she got the number 1 rank. However, we notice that the values aren't in the whole number, so we have to change this. First, we need to highlight the cells in the rank column. So, from J1 up until to J11. Then, we click Home. Then, we click this sign 2 times so that we can remove the extra 2 decimal place in the ranking. Here, we now have the desired rankings. Easy, right? To recap the steps, here is a short demo of what we just did. Please watch. Well done! Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and like button if this video helped you a lot. See you in the next video.